Good morning, great ones. It's a lovely day. It's a Tuesday morning, the 14th of July, 2020. I hope you had a wonderful night rest and you are ready for today. Okay, just a quick roll call. I see Busi, I see Diresh, I see Bushe, I see Leo, I see Nathan, I see Terence, I see Mika, I see Reese, I see Abongiwe. Okay, you all welcome, and those that will join us. I see Gabriel. Good, right. So we are ready to roll. Okay, so let's quickly look at our homework and see what is it that we have for this morning. Right. Okay. You were given these shapes and you were told to draw the other half and color it. I must say thank you so much for the homeworks that you are sending. I'm marking them and I'm giving you feedback. And remember, it will be put nicely in your portfolio. Right, let's see how we are going to do this one. Remember, we were talking about symmetry, okay? Let's see now, okay? We have this arrow, and then remember we draw that line in between so that we can see the mirror image of the object. Okay, so there we go. This is how you will complete your diagram there. Let's look at the next one. There we've got the shape, and there we've got that line which divides so that we can see the mirror image or the reflection of the shape. There we go. It is complete. So this is how you must do it. If you did not do it maybe correctly, or you did not do it at all, just look at how we have done it, and then you can correct it on your exercise book there, and then you will put a nice big tick and a sharp for yourself there. Let's look at the next figure. Right, it says draw the other half and color it in. Let's see, we had that triangle. Okay, there we go, and then we've got that line of symmetry which shows us the reflection. It is this, it's a similar it's the same a figure or a triangle in this case, and then we have the mirror image or the reflection of it. Let's look at the next one. We had that semicircle there, and then we complete it nicely there, and we've got our line of symmetry, which shows us when you fold it, then you have the same complete figure which shows reflection. So you can quickly do it on your exercise there. Remember, on your exercise book, before we start the class, you will write there your name and your surname. You will write the grade. You will write that today it's Tuesday, and then you will also write today's date, which is the 14th of July, 2020. Right, let's continue. The next one was saying, fill in the missing numbers. We are having fun with numbers. So here, grade ones, we are counting in tens. But the fun is that we are not starting from 10, but we started from 6, okay? So even with your fingers, okay, you can do that. So because you see you are counting in tens, if you not you cannot quickly get the answer to be 16, you can always use your fingers. Remember, they are your counters for free. Okay, so then 6 plus our 10 there, it's 16. And then the next one, let's do this quickly. Right. Yes, the first one, it was 6, and then 16, and then this was the gap. This is where you had to put in your number, 26. Check it there. And then 36 we were given, and 46 you had to add it in, and 56 you had to add it in, and 66 as well, and then 76 there was given. So what you're going to do on your page, you will put your tick next to 26 because it was not given, and then you put your tick there by 46, it was not given, your tick by 56, and your tick thereby 66. Well done. So quickly, let's count. It's 6, 16, 26, 36, 46, 56, 66, and 76. Good. Let's look at the next one. Here we are counting in fives, starting from 3. Let's see. You can always use your counters again. 3 plus 5, it's 8. 8 plus 5, yes, it's 13. 13 plus 5, yes, it's 18. So 18, you were not given 18, so you put a tick there by 18 for yourself. 23, you put a tick for yourself. 28, you put a tick for yourself. 33, you put a tick for yourself. And then the last number that was given was 38. So remember, we are counting in fives. From 3, you just add 5. 3 plus 5, 8 plus 5, just like that until you get to the last one. I was quite impressed. I saw some of you, you took snapshots and then you completed the answers there on the snapshots. It was very nice. Okay, let's see the next one. Okay, here they said draw a simple symmetrical butterfly using shapes. Remember, in maths, there are more than one ways of solving your problem. And the best to do is to use a method which you understand. Even if when we are together, we share methods, but always use a method that you are comfortable with. So same applies to this one. You will use any shapes of your choice, okay? This is the shapes that I used. So that is my butterfly. And what is important there, for symmetry or for reflection, you must have that line of symmetry. You fold it into half. So these dots here, it means that you have folded it into half, and exactly what is on the left hand side is what is on the right hand side. Well done. Are we on the same page? Have you ticked for yourself? Well done, Uyanda. We welcome you. Okay, let's see. Now let's do our number gymnastics. All right. So we are counting from 50 to 70. Where is our 50? There is our 50. There's my cursor there. So ready, go. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Well done, grade ones. Right. Now we are counting backwards from 70 to 40. Ready, go. 70, 69, 68, 67, 66, 65, 64, 63, 62, 61, 60, 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, 51, 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40. Well done. Let's see. Now we are counting in fives and we are also counting in tens. So we are going to start by counting in tens from 6. Right, there is our 6 there. We are counting in tens, okay? So we go all the way down, 6 plus 10. Ready, go. Look at my cursor. 6, 16, 26, 36, 46, 56, 66, 76. Okay. We went one extra. Okay. Now we are going to count to threes up to 30. So let's go look at 3. Then it means it's going to be 3 plus 3. Okay. So 3 plus 3, it's 6, plus 3 is 9, plus 3, it's 12, plus 3, 15, plus 3, 18, plus 3, 21, plus 3, 24, plus 3, 27, plus 3, 30. So if you do not know the times table, you don't have to stress. You know that you are counting in threes. So when you start from 3, you use your free counters, which are your fingers. You'll go from 3 and then you put up your 3, then it's 3. And then in your heart, you'll count. Okay, then you know that the next one is 6. 6 plus 3, you count in your heart. Yes, it's 9. There we go. And then plus 3, you count in your heart. Yes, it's 12. And then plus 3, you count in your heart. 15, good. Plus 3, you count in your heart. Good. 18 plus 3, you count in your heart. 21, good. Plus 3, you count in your heart. 24, good. You count in your heart, plus 3. 27, good. Plus 3, you count in your heart. Good, 30, well done. So even in your free time, you can just practice on your own. Just use your free gift, your fingers, and then you'll see that indeed it's so much fun working with numbers. Okay, so let's see what we have for today. Today we'll be talking about length. Is there anyone who has seen a height chart before? Okay, let's see. So length, it's a term that is used to identify the size of an object or distance from one point to another. Okay, I see there are those who say they have. Gabriel, okay, you say that you have seen a height chart before. Okay, right. And then let's see. So length is a measure of how long an object is or the distance between 2 points. Look at us in our grade 1 class. Okay, we might be the same age. Oh, Abongiwe, yes, this is a height chart, all right? So normally what we would do is that you would put it against a wall, okay? There are different, there are different ones which are used, all right? So you'll just stand against your wall and then we'll be able to see, even the numbers at this stage do not matter at all. You can use pictures, maybe elephants or flowers or trees. So you can say maybe Kunashe is, let's see, maybe five flowers up or whatever. So it depends on your height chart. So at this point in time, we are not looking at the numbers at all, but we just want you to see that something is long or something is short, okay, and see the difference, okay? Here we go. So the length of an object is its extended dimension. That is the longest side. So if you look at yourself when you are standing up, we are looking at your longest side, like up to where your head ends, okay? There, the highest point, okay? That's where we take our measurement. Right. Let's see. When we use more examples, you'll see it will all make sense. Right. Now let's do it together. There is our grade 1 class. Right, there we go. We are lining up, just about to go into class. And then, okay, we are 8 in class. Okay, and then look at that line there. That line is showing, remember we said the highest point is the one that is going to be measured. So this line is actually showing us who is the tallest in class. Okay, now let's see if we can explain what we see. Right, we have the picture there. Let's answer the following questions which relate to this picture. Okay, what is the number of the tallest learner in this grade 1 class? Remember, you've got your exercise book there. You have written their classwork, okay? And then our question 1. So write for yourself also on that page. Who's the tallest? I see. Okay, I see. All right, I see some say 5, but let's prove this answer if it is indeed 5. Okay, we are looking. Yes, we can see 5 is the tallest. Okay, well done, Sean. Well done, all of you. Right, let's see the next one. Okay, what number is the shortest learner in this grade 1 class? Who's the shortest? You can type it in. I see you, Gabriel. Even if you type it in on the screen, remember to also write it on your exercise book. I see you, Kunashe. I see you, Abongiwe. I see you, Diresh. Good, I agree, it's 1. He's the shortest there in class. Now let's see. What number is the tallest boy? What number is the tallest boy? The tallest boy. Look properly. Terence Boucher, look properly. Look at the 2. It's very slight. That's correct, Reese. Nathan, it is number 7. Yes, Terence. Yes, Boucher, it is number 7. Although their height is so close, it's so close together, but it is indeed 7. Well done, grade 1s. Okay, let's see now. What's the next? What number is the shortest girl? Okay, look at our class there. What number is the shortest girl? Okay, I see you, Reese. I see you, Mika. Kunashe Abongiwe, Diresh. Okay, let's look between 3 and 4. Which one is the shortest? Between Bushe, I see you. Uyanda, I see you. I want Mika. What are you saying, Mika? I see you. I see you. Right. It is 3. You can see even if the height there is a slight difference, but indeed 3 is the 3 is the shortest girl. Well done. That's correct. Leo. All right. Okay. Here we go. Sorry, Leo, your answer there. Remember, number 1 is the shortest learner. Ne? The shortest learner in the class is number 1. Yes, well done. Okay. Right. Okay, let's see if our answers were correct. There, what is the tallest learner in class? 5, that's correct. What is the number of the shortest learner in class? Yes, it's 1, correct. And then what is the number of the tallest boy? Yes, it's 7, that's correct. What is the number of the shortest girl? Yes, it is 3. Well done, boys and girls. Right. Let's see. Let's look at this. Remember, this is also a height chart that you can use. And normally the best is that it must be straight, it must be level, okay? So it's just that our picture there, it's decorated, okay? Nevertheless, we will look at our height chart, okay? Ooh, what are these? Monsters. Wow. Okay. Right. Let's see. What are we going to do about this? Right. Okay. Jack and the Beanstalk. Anyone who knows that story? Jack and the Beanstalk. Anyone who's heard about the story? Anyone? Quite interesting. Okay, I see Reese knows, Diresh knows, Terence, great. Celeste, oh, great. All right, so there's our beanstalk. It's going up, 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 up. Right. Now, let's see. How many? Let's see. Wow, I said owls. Okay. That's an owl. All right, big eyes. All right, different types of owls. Let's put it that way. Okay. How many owls high is beanstalk A? There is our beanstalk A. How many owls high is beanstalk A? Let's see. There we go. Let's count one. Anyone who wants to guess? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is that? Yeah, almost there. Almost there. Okay. Right. Do you see? Okay. And then we go to the next one. Okay. There we go. And beanstalk B. Anyone who wants to take a guess? Beanstalk B. I see Gabriel. Okay, let's see. Um, let's see. Beanstalk B. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so it's 8 owls high. Beanstalk B is 8 owls high. Now let's see the last one. Beanstalk C. Let's see. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well done. Well done there. Right. Okay. Right. The first one we said beanstalk A, it's 6 hours high. And then beanstalk B, we said it is 8 hours high. And then beanstalk C, we said it is 9 hours high. Well done, well done. Do we see all see the height? Okay. Yeah, and the difference. Okay. Now let's see. Let's go to our homework. Draw 4 shapes and show us how many blocks long are the shapes. I will give you an example, and the block spaces must be equal. Okay. For example, maybe you choose to draw a, let me talk about two shapes. Maybe I choose a square and I also choose a rectangle. And then what I do is that I take my ruler, okay? I take my ruler for me to make equal blocks. Okay, I make my equal blocks on the square. I'm looking at the length, and then I go to my, let's say, when I've got my ruler there, there is one side here which says millimeters. It's mm. So what you do is that you start where it is written mm, for example, okay, and then the next one says 10. They are counting in tens here. So you say 10, 20, 30, 40. Maybe your square there, the length of your square is 40. And then how many blocks do you have? You've got 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks. And then you go to your rectangle. Your rectangle there, you start also at the first line where it's written mm. I'm just calling it mm because I am not going into detail about the mm this morning. So we count again in tens. We are looking for our blocks. It's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. All right. Remember, it's up to you how long your rectangle and how long your square is. The only thing that we want to see is that after you have drawn your shape, you just do the blocks at the bottom so that you can see how long or how many blocks long is your square, how many blocks long is your rectangle, the same way that we have done with the owls. Okay. All right, let's see. Okay. So that is the first one. You draw 4 shapes, and then when you are done, you do the spaces, these equal blocks next to each shape, so that you can see which one is the longest. All right, I can see. Oh, all right, I see them. Samuel's. You're asking for an example. Okay, okay. But I think what I can suggest to you is that just draw a square using your ruler. You know that your square has got 4 equal size. If it is 4 blocks, make it 4 blocks, the length up all the way around, okay? And then you do your rectangle. Maybe you say it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blocks. Remember, they must be equal. That's why I say you must use your ruler, okay? They will be equal there. It's 6 one side, and then your height will be 4. It will be 4 blocks. So then if we look at the two, you are able to see that your square is 4 blocks long and your rectangle is 6 blocks long. So what you're going to do is that you do a shape of your choice, and then what is important is that use a ruler when you're doing the shape. So you will tell us actually how long, how many blocks long is your shape. Okay, I trust that I have explained it well. If you're stuck, remember, we will revise it tomorrow and we will be on the same page. Okay, so here we've got Granny Thelma. Granny Thelma is staying in a flat. She has a windowsill carrot garden, and that is measuring 2 standard rulers long, okay? It doesn't matter which side of the ruler you are using. If I am using the mm, the millimeter side, then it means mine ends at 300 millimeters. So if it is 2 standard rulers long, it means that it is 300 millimeters times 2. 2 times 300 millimeters. Okay, so use your ruler and tell us how long is her garden. Please take a snapshot. Okay, and then the last one, and then we will be out. Okay, so we are doubling these numbers. Okay, 3 doubled is 6. Okay, meaning 3 plus 3 is 6. 5 doubled is, meaning 5 plus 5 is how much? 7 doubled is, give me the answer there. 10 doubled, we've given you an answer. 10 plus 10 is 20. 11 doubled, 11 plus 11, you give us the answer there. 20 doubled, 20 plus 20, you give us the answer there. You mustn't be late for your next class. I sure hope that the instructions are clear. Please take a snapshot, and you can always send me an email if you've got any questions or clarity on the homework. Okay, so you can email the homework to me. Okay, all right. And then I will see you all tomorrow. Okay, remember that is my email address there, tebohostole0109@gmail.com. Great ones, it's been wonderful being with you today. I sure hope that you will be able to do the homework. Please have a lovely afternoon. Enjoy your next class. Goodbye.